Okay, this is how we build slingshot rockets. So the first thing you need to do is chain your rubber bands together. The idea behind this rocket is you've got these rubber bands and you're going to pull it back and then let this rocket go. Okay, so here's the main idea. You don't need fins on it for it to work. Fins make it look great though. Otherwise it would just be a sheet of foam flying through the air. The first thing you need to do is take the lid off your film canister, and with a pair of scissors, ask your mom or dad to punch a hole in the bottom of the can. Okay, go ahead and chain 5, 6, 7, 8, however long you want your chain of rubber bands to be. So go ahead and chain your rubber bands together. Rubber bands are such awesome tools. You can make balls out of them, you can make slingshots out of them, all sorts of things. Okay, once your chain is long enough, you're going to push one of them carefully with the blunt end of the scissors through that hole that you just made in the film canister. You want to make sure you don't cut the rubber band with the scissors. Reach in there and grab it through. It's going to get stuck where the first chain is attached, and that's alright because you simply want to attach a paper clip such that when you pull it back, the paper clip gets stuck and it doesn't come out. Okay. Put the top back on if you want. If you're going to use this, the top is actually too round, so go ahead and keep it off. You're going to stick it inside. This is just a piece of 3/4 inch pipe insulation from the hardware store. You get them in sections of, I believe, 6 feet long for like $1 or $2. Go ahead and use hot glue, and you want to hot glue all around inside. Put some hot glue on, rotate it around, add hot glue on the other side. So go ahead and hot glue this in there. And then use some duct tape, if you have it, to really secure this junction together. Because you're going to pull on the rubber band pretty hard, and you want the whole rocket to go with it. You don't want it to leave any piece behind. So go ahead and secure that with some tape. Okay, that's pretty much it for the design. You can choose any rubber band to launch from, so this could be different variables that you're choosing. Where does it go the furthest from the first, second, third, or fourth rubber band from the nose? Pull it back and then just let it go. And there you have it.